Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's hope my voice holds out today. I believe this one is based on a mid-90s Camaro. Here we have a 1957 Chevrolet Bolero convertible, listed for $10,500 US in Red Oak, Texas. It's been driven 16,000 miles, has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description: sale or trade, runs good, nice clean top, power steering, power brakes, cold air conditioning, V6 kit car, trade for short bed truck or old Chevy car, $10,500 or make offer. And up next we have this 1963 Austin Healey Sebring, listed for $12,500 US in Oak Island, North Carolina. It's been driven 36,000 miles, has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description: the car is a kit car of a 1963 Austin Healey built by Classic Roadsters. It has a custom chassis with a Mustang II suspension with coilovers, 302 from a 1990 GT Mustang, along with a T5 transmission. Also has new white Classic instruments, gauges, and sending unit, new starter and water pump. The car fires right up and runs strong, but does lower in oil pressure once the engine temp gets to running temperatures. Asking $12,500 or best offer. Okay, here we have a 1939 Ford Kit Car, listed for $47,500 US in Naples, Florida. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description: it was in 6 inches of fresh water and the insurance company totaled it. I bought it, drove it home, has a rebuildable Florida title, drove it around for a while and now it's for sale. Needs some minor work on the wiring for the doors to open. I have the parts but no time. Needs a starter. Alright, here we have a 1980 FiberFab Kia GT Gullwing, listed for $9,000 US in Edenton, North Carolina. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description: 1980 Kia GT by FiberFab, one of 150, number 114 actually, made. This is a project, current motor doesn't run, needs wiring and fuel hooked up, has new separate engine that's never run, 0 hours as seen in last photo, will separate for right price, clean North Carolina title in my name, no trades, cash only sale. Alright, so here we have, I believe this is a type of kit. It was offered as a turnkey or a kit, just to be able to get around some legality issues with shipping. This is a 2005 Noble M400, listed for $85,000 US in Sarasota, Florida. From the seller's description: tested and true Noble M400 with all the modifications and upgrades to really take on the track. Honda K24 short block motor, Borg-Warner single turbo, 5-speed sequential transmission. It has some minor scrapes and scratches, but nothing that stops its curb appeal. Hey everyone, I just want to interject for about 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles. Okay, I'm going to correct the seller on this one, but I could be wrong, they could be right. It was listed as a Steyer's Stallion Humpback, but I believe it's really a Supercycle Stinger Trike, listed for $10,500 US in Visalia, California. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, completely gone through, has new motor in it and carburetor, the wiring has been done, it has a matching pull-along little trailer. It is considered a camel humpback body style, which is sort of rare, has a sound system on it and light kit that dances with the music. Alright, here's a chance to own an original Myers-Manx. Here we have a 1979 Volkswagen Myers-Manx Toad, listed for $12,500 US in Sparks, Nevada. It's been driven 900 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, certified by Winnie Myers, new 1776 and swing axle, built and installed by Buggy Barn in Reno, new fenders, stereo, front tires, seat cushions, shocks, steering box, and battery. I also will throw in a new, never installed hood, signed by Bruce Myers. I'm in it over $24,000. We'll take best offer over $12,500. Clean and clear Nevada title in my name, currently registered and insured. Okay, here we have a 1966 Madison Kit Car, listed for $6,000 US in Sacramento, California. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, needs an electrician to rewire the added turn signals, needs to pass brake and light inspection because it's salvage. It's salvage due to a mistake with paperwork after buying from auction and not from an accident. I have no time or money to finish this car. Runs and drives, radio, manual transmission, brand new front and back bumpers, chrome. Best offer, or I will trade for a hybrid car. Alright, this one is a replica, not so much a kit. This is a 1999 Suzuki VW bus replica, listed for $9,000 US in Ceres, California. It's been driven 60,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, note, not legal to register in California. Apparently it can be registered in Virginia using your California address. No smog or VIN verification needed. Suzuki 3-cylinder F6A turbo engine, 3-speed auto transmission, 2-wheel drive VW bus tribute, power sunroof, new tires with Hart hubcap spinners, clean Virginia title. Alright, we're going to pull up the rear with this one. Now, it is for a body only, but I think it's a great deal. For anyone looking for a project, here we have a Fiberglass MG Kit Car body, listed for only $500 US in St. Petersburg, Florida. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, Fiberglass MG Kit Car body, no chassis, made to be bolted onto old VW Bug. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.